Good day, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with the Klarenbach Grain Report. Today is November 19th, 2025. I had a lengthy canola video earlier today, and I neglected to talk about the cash charts, the cash price charts. So this is my canola Saskatchewan Klarenbach Price Index. And you can see that we are coming off the bottoms, which you likely knew. We're getting a bit of a rally here. I'm going to put some moving averages on here just to get a sense of where we're at. But yeah, we're working our way back to this head and shoulders pattern neckline, which I identified back whenever that was, back in the spring or the summer. We're at this key level, this Fibonacci level here at 30, on my price index, which is likely lower than you can get at your elevator, but nonetheless it's a good determination of the trend. So we're at this Fibonacci level. I really want to see if we can get back above this green 50-week moving average. If we need to get above that in order to have conviction of the uptrend. And the challenge is this 200-week moving average is in decline overhead. We had the retest of it here back in August on this little, hopefully that wasn't a data error, but nonetheless, we got that rally up there. This thing still remains in a downtrend, but we're seeing some signs of a improvement in the price. Let's go back to my, let's go back to my basis chart here. You remember this chart? This is cool, I think. So I published this a few weeks ago. I identified this downward wedge identified by these yellow trend lines. I had an A, B, C, D, E pattern, and it was back here somewhere where I suggested. Yeah, let's turn that. It was back here somewhere when I published this back in the middle of October, and we crossed this 10-week moving average on the basis. And again, this basis is representative of the trend and likely different from what you can get at your location, but nonetheless, I think it's significant. And I outlined this price path, and so far it's following it almost close enough, almost perfectly. And we'll see if that continues, but if maybe we can get up here and we keep getting this improvement on the basis, that's going to help our canola price in theory. So let's see if we can get that. It's working out as we anticipated. Let's see if we can get some continuation on this chart. And maybe we will see an improvement in the price of canola. And let's go back to this chart here just to get a reference point. Yeah, maybe we can get a rally, get back up to that head and shoulders level, maybe get another buck a bushel on this price, but remains to be seen. But as in the previous video there, when I talked about the futures, those are good times to, in my opinion, to take some risk off the table and re-enter a long position to replace your cash sales. Use the futures market. It's a great tool. Your competitors are using it. The grain companies are using it. The speculators are using it. You should be using it too. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.